Welcome to How Logical. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you edit your Instagram story. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram application. And after opening the application, just simply click to the Your Story button into the top left corner, and after going there you can see all the stories that you have added. Just simply select the one that you want to edit. Step 2. Edit the story. To edit the Instagram story, you just simply have to click into this three dot button into the bottom right corner, and after clicking there you can see this story settings option here. You just simply have to click there. Step 3. Edit the settings. Now after going to the story settings, you can edit your story settings. By following these very easy steps, you can also edit your story settings. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update.